Today I'm going to show you how to save money on your next iFixit purchase by finding and applying a coupon code. It's super easy. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and Google search for iFixit coupon code. There you can find the link for Simply Codes. Click it to redirect you to their site. This is a great place to find verified coupon codes for tons of stores, including iFixit. You'll see a list of active promo codes. Look for one with a high success rate. Green is best. For example, here's one for 10% off. Click Get Code to copy it to your clipboard. Easy, right? Now go to iFixit.com checkout page. You'll see a box labeled Discount Code. Paste the code you copied from Simply Codes here. Hit Apply and boom, you'll see the discount reflected in your total. If it doesn't work, try another code from Simply Codes, as some are single use or have specific terms. And that's it. You've just saved some cash on your iFixit order. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments what you're fixing with your iFixit tools. See you in the next one.